When I say the word textiles, probably you picture clothing, but the fabric against your skin could monitor your heartbeat, respiration, manage your temperature, or even help you heal. In fact, there is a growing interest in this technology called smart textiles. However, we have noticed a lack of openly accessible knowledge on how textiles actually work. So, we took initiatives to bring that science into public conversation at KITE. Across the sessions, we have covered all the foundations of smart textiles, from fiber to fabric engineering, textile coloration, sustainability, and textile testing. The response was extraordinary because once you see textile as a technology, you start thinking out of the box. The textiles can do more than what we can imagine. Our aim was simple. We wanted to introduce scientists, engineers, and healthcare professionals to this fascinating world of textile science. Next, we plan to go deeper with focused workshop on smart textiles and how it's bringing paradigm shift in digital healthcare innovation. As we continue weaving this future together, I would like to acknowledge FIBRE, KITE Creates, and Center for Aging and Brain Health Innovation for helping bring textile science out of the lab and into the community.